Hi, so for the Shoreditch Design Triangle this year, we've put on an exhibition called the Sunset Room, and we're going to go take a look at some of the new designs and speak to Dan Zoe, so follow me in. Welcome to the Thaler showroom. So this year we've collaborated with Thomas Heatherwick on our new design, Wake, and we're going to hear from Dan, our head of design, about the project, how it came together, and we've got a nice cup of tea brewing from our friends at Good and Proper Tea, and we've printed the new Thaler newsletter, so we're going old school print. So Dan, tell us more about Wake. How's it been? How did it come about?
The light came about because we all know what it's like to have a good and a bad night's sleep, and we really wanted to use our lighting knowledge and our design intent to kind of bring the best night's sleep to our customers. And Heatherwick Studio really shared this vision. So you'll see the shape of the light is inspired by the sun setting. The materials used are really tactile and beautiful. We wanted to remove plastic. We wanted to remove unnecessary dials and switches and just keep things really clean. But the technology inside is amazing. There's automatic light that comes up in the morning and sound. And in the evening, you can have your light dimmed down and get you ready for sleep, get you ready for a really good night's sleep.
Yeah, and part of the research we've kind of put behind the project is really delving into the science of sleep. And one thing that's come up time and time again in terms of your interior lighting is to not forget about bathroom lighting. We can do a lot to optimize the bedroom, with sleep lamps, creating a really dark, consistent kind of schedule in your space. But bathroom lighting can be a bit of a problem area. So Zoe's going to introduce one of her new designs, Firth, which is great for really cozy bathroom lighting that's a bit more dynamic. So over to you, Zoe. Let's hear a little bit more about Firth.
One of our other latest launches is Firth, inspired by the soft ripples of water in the coastal inlets you get mainly in Scotland and around the British Isles, which is where the name comes from. And that's reflected in the beautiful rippled glass that encases the light source on the inside. And being for the bathroom, these are IP65, so really high waterproof rating that are really well suited for the bathroom. And the most important thing when we're thinking about sleep is you're often in the bathroom just before you're going to bed. So having a light like this, which is dim to warm, so when you dim the light down, you're getting a really soft, warm glow that eliminates all of the blue and the bright wavelengths of light and makes you really relaxed and ready for sleep.
Nice, thanks Zoe. And to continue the Sunset Room exhibition, let's check out downstairs. We've got a live survey going on, taking a gauge on how London is sleeping. So we've got a few questions that people are answering for the exhibition, ranging from what are you doing before going to bed, your sleep schedule, and kind of an honest take on your quality of sleep. So as part of the exhibition, we're getting some survey results on our quality of sleep and some of our daily habits and the relationship we have with our phones. And finally, part of the exhibition is we've created a screening room for a really lovely short film that Heatherwick Studio have produced for the collaboration. And we've tried to incorporate some nice sensory design in this space. So some friends and neighbors, Cosmo, have donated some beautiful furniture for the screening room. And yeah, come check it out. The exhibition's on for the next 3 weeks.